Hello beautiful people, welcome to our channel. So today, because I don't have so much time to make a pre-poo, I will make this quick pre-poo that has only 3 ingredients, but these ingredients are really good for the hair. As you can see, our first ingredient will be avocado. As usual, I will cut my avocado in small pieces before putting in my blender. Because avocado is rich in potassium and amino acid, it nourishes our hair and strengthens our hair. My next ingredient will be aloe vera leaves. So now for the aloe vera leaf, I will cut the pointy part of the side first. Then I will cut my aloe vera leaf in small portions. Then I will try to extract the gel. If you are not used to using knife to extract the gel, you can use spoon or fork or whatever that feel comfortable for you. But for me, using a knife is comfortable. This is why I always use a knife. So all I'm doing is just getting the gel out of the aloe vera and put it in my blender. If you're enjoying this video so far, please consider pressing that like button and why not subscribe to our channel for similar content. My next ingredient will be yogurt. Yogurt contains lactic acid, which can help exfoliate the scalp, eliminating all the dead skin hair that the scalp may have, leaving our follicles clean to help the hair growth to come out. Now it's time to mix it all up, and my pre-poo is ready in less than 5 minutes. Now that my pre-poo is ready, I'm going to put this on my daughter's hair. Her hair is already well detangled and put in sections. So all I'm going to do is put it on her hair. As usual, I will start to put around the ends to avoid getting any split ends. Then I will put on around her scalp. Then I will move on and put it all around her hair and massage her scalp and put everywhere between each section of that hair, and then making sure it's all around that space of the hair and massaging her scalp, and move on to the next section. I skip to the last section to avoid making long videos, but all I'm doing is just the same thing, putting this hair mask around her ends, around her scalp, and massaging her scalp. Then I will put a shower cap or plastic bag over her hair and let it sit with it for about 30 minutes or more. After 30 minutes or so, I will massage her scalp for about 2 to 3 minutes. This is an important step, so I usually do this every time before I have to rinse out her hair. I will spend about 2 to 3 minutes massaging her scalp to help stimulate hair growth before I continue with my regular wash day routine.